Hello everyone, this is a Prime audio series presented by Prepway India. The Prime editorials covered from different leading newspapers. Topic is ominous signals, and the crux is growth figures will worsen as India waits for full impact of lockdown. Now going to be moving detailed. India's economy is in a severe slowdown that is only going to get worse in a pandemic-stricken world. 3 months after Finance Ministry Matt prognosticated that India's growth slowdowns had bottomed out. The latest economic data has belied that predictions, crucially the GDP growth estimates for the January-March quarter and the full fiscal year, badly reflect the impact of the public health crisis and the stringent lockdowns, which were imposed nationwide only from March 25. The initial estimates show fourth quarter and fiscal 2019-20 growth slumped to 3.1% and 4.2% respectively, the slowest pace in 11 years. The government says the lockdown impacted data flow, and with statutory reporting timelines extended, the estimates would likely undergo revisions. However, the fact that cross-valued added numbers for the first 3 quarters have been revised significantly downward shows that the economic malady was deep and widespread even before the novel coronavirus landed on Indian shores. Four of the 8 industry sectors that together comprise the GVA are now revealed to be in a far worse shape than was reported earlier. This includes manufacturing, which contracted for a third straight quarter and shrank by 1.4% in the fourth quarter. Construction, a major job generating activity that continued to weaken and contracted 2.2%, and the two largest services categories. The divisions in the trade, transport, hotels and communications, and financial, real estate, and professional services sectors have cut third quarter growth figures by 1.6 and 4 percentage points respectively. The economy is visually mired in a demand drought that is unlikely to abate anytime soon. Private consumption spending, which accounts for 55 to 60% of GDP, extended a downtrend as growth slid to 2.7%. Investment activity contracted for a third consecutive quarter and the shrank 6.5%. Data coming in for the current fiscals are revealing the devastating impact that the lockdown has had. Output at the 8 core industries that represent 40% of the index of industrial productions contracted by an alarming 38% in April. Merchandise exports shrank 60% in the same month. The RBI, which cut interest rates on May 22, was categorical in its assessment that a recovery would likely start only from the October quarter. For even that to materialize, the center must act. Its package so far as has been focused on credit enhancement measures that ease supply side constraints and structural reform that may bear fruit over a longer horizons, but the imperative now is to bite the bullet and opt for a massive fiscal stimulus that actually puts cash in the hands of consumers and the millions of jobless youth in order to help revive demand. With that, in these editions, we will keep updating you. Press the subscribe button and bell icon notifications for the latest news update. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.